Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and today we are gonna do the problem arithmetic slices. It falls in the medium category of Leetcode. Now let's move on to the problem statement. An integer array is called arithmetic if it consists of at least three elements and if the difference between any two consecutive elements is same. So, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is an arithmetic sequence. 4 times 7 is also an arithmetic sequence. 3 minus 1 minus 5 minus 9 is also an arithmetic sequence. Basically, we have to look for an arithmetic progression. Given an integer array nums, return the number of arithmetic subarray of nums. A subarray is a contiguous subsequence of the array. For example, if the nums is 1, 2, 3, 4, the output would be 3. We have three arithmetic slices 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if the nums is 1 then the output would be 0. Now let me tell you my approach and then I will code it up. We will make an DP array which will of the same size as we are taking the example nums for example nums will equal to 1 2 1 2 3 4. Let's take 5, like 5 elements, and then the DP array would be like something initially 0 comma 0 comma it will be of the same size as the nums array. So we will be iterating the nums array one by one. If let's take 1, if there is only one element, that is 1, then we can't form any AP, so it would be 0. And if there is only two elements 1 and 2, they also can't form AP, so answer would be 0. In DP we will be forming in DP we will be storing number of APs possible at that index, ending at that index, and now the nums becomes 1 2, and now we have 1 2 3 in the array, so it forms an AP, so answer would be 1. And now we have 1 2 3 4 in the array, so the answer would become it forms an AP, so answer would become 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Why? So one AP would be 1 2 3 4, the another AP would be 1 2 2 3 4. So there are two APs which are ending at here, and it would be equal to the number of previous APs, AP ending at the previous index plus 1. And similarly, if we take the whole array 1 2 3 4 5, the answer would be equal to 2 plus 1, because it is forming an AP. 2 3 4 5 is an AP, so we need minimum 3 elements to form an AP, and it's forming an AP, so the answer would be DPI minus 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So what would be the APs for ending at 5? 1 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5, and 3 4 5. That would be that would be the number of APs ending at that index. And for the answer we need to just sum up, or we need to just sum up all the elements of DPI, and we will get our answer. Now let me just code the approach up. So first of all, we are going to take a DP vector of size nums dot size. As I mentioned, it will be the same. It would be of same size as the nums array, and it will be initialized to 0 for every index. And after that, we are going to just traverse the whole array nums dot size I plus plus. If now we need to also store the answer in answer variable, answer is equal to 0. And if the previous three elements, we need to start the index from 2 instead of 3. We need at least 3 elements to check whether they form an AP or not, so we are going to start the I from 2. We are just going to check if nums I, this is the condition for AP, for the 3 elements to be in AP, nums I minus nums I minus 1 is equal to nums I minus 1 minus nums I minus 2. And if it is true, then we are forming an AP at that index. So DPI would be equal to 1 plus DPI minus 1. DPI is the storing number of APs ending at that index, and we are just gonna increment answer by dpi. As I mentioned, we need to take the sum of the whole dp array while try running the code, while telling you the approach. And now we are gonna return answer, and let's see if it works. So there is a problem. There is a syntax error I have made. It will be equal to we are comparing. We are not equating. Oh, this is not the problem. This is the problem. I have made a mistake. It would be dpi minus 1. And it's running completely fine. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe my video.